All right, how to use the in-body scanner. So you're gonna hit the on button once it powers on. Then you're going to hit 2. Just gotta wait a second. Okay, once you get this screen, PT means how much does my clothes weigh. Always do 2 and enter, take 2 pounds off for their clothes. Then you have them step on till it gives them a weight. Standard, male or female, age, and then height. Then you're gonna have them pick up the grips, whole hand on it, out to the side. Don't worry about squeezing too tight. When it gets done, it'll beep. Then hit this print button and it'll print out right here. Make sure the printer's on. And that's it.